Hello diamonds, I'm Manali and today I'm going to create this amazing look for you guys. First step, moisturizer. Apply a lot of it. Also make sure that you wash your hands before you start, okay? And massage it well in your skin. For foundation, today I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Drop the Base Foundation in the shade Vienna. This foundation is not full coverage and it gives you a sheer kind of finish. Also, what's up with you guys? What are you all doing at home? I mean, I'm into editing lately. I've never done editing before. Like, I've done the regular editing, like adjusting the brightness and contrast and filters and all of that. But I've never changed the background of my pictures and stuff like that until now. But yes, it's fun to experiment, And yeah, do follow me on Instagram if you haven't already for some fun feed. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline's concealer in the shade Light Leisure. And oh yes, I've also ordered the LA Girls Pro Concealer from Myntra. There's a sale going on, so I've ordered a bunch of stuff. Also, there's a sale going on Shein, and my sister ordered a couple of stuff from there. And yeah, I've shopped almost after 3 months, you guys. And you can also check Myntra and Shein. The sale is still going on. I just can't wait for the parcels to arrive, and obviously, you know that a haul video is on the way. And here I'm done with the concealer and I'm moving on to baking. I'm using Lakme's Rose Powder. The lid is just hard to open and I'm applying the loose powder all over my face with the help of a beauty blender, especially on my smile lines. My under eye and smile line area creases a lot when I smile. I have a wide smile. I am simply dabbing the powder on my face. Wait for a while, let everything set properly, and then with the help of a brush just dust off the excess powder. My mom was just staring at me for no reason. With that, I'm done with the base of my makeup, and then I'm using this purple shade on my cheeks. Also guys, I've done a series of Desi Indian looks on Instagram. So I want to know if you guys like the Indian series. Shall I do more Desi get ready with me sort of videos, or you guys want me to do more casual western looks? Personally, I love doing the Indian looks these days, but I want to know it from you guys. What do you guys think? Just leave a comment. Coming back to the makeup, purple looks fine, but to brighten things up, I'm going in with some pink. And I'm just applying some pink over the purple. A little on the nose. Now comes the most fun and also the most scary part. It's time to draw clouds on my cheeks. This is the first time that I'm face painting, and I actually practiced once yesterday, but I did it on my hand. I will insert an image of it on the screen. Doing it very carefully because there's no going back. The best way is to draw an outline and then fill in the empty space. And it turned out pretty well. Look at the smile on my face. You can clearly make out how happy I am. I have zero painting skills, you guys. I have passed with a C in the elementary exam. Yep, that's true. I'm going in for the second cloud, and my hair is just not obeying. I feel it looks a little empty right now, so I'm going to draw little stars in between the clouds. And what are you guys doing in quarantine? Are you guys going at work? Swapnil went back to Dapoli for work, and my mom has also started going to office. Things are not as strict as they were earlier, but the cases are increasing every day, so it's better to take precautions ourselves even when they lift the lockdown. And my sister was in 10th this year, and I feel so bad for her. All her vacation is gone just like that. I had so much fun after my boards, and she is just sitting at home getting bored. And if you're a last year student, I can totally feel the pain you guys went through for the past few months. I am sailing in the same boat, And yes, finally the decision of cancelling the exam has arrived, so it's a big relief. I am talking a lot today, but actually there's so much to talk about. And yeah, I'm done with the stars, and I've also added a few dots here and there to fill in the space. And now with the help of a brush, I'm dabbing some white eyeshadow over it just to set everything properly. For the finishing touch, I'm using what the hell? For the finishing touch, I'm using For the finishing touch, I'm using some pink shade at the base of the cloud. Then I'm going in with a bright silver shimmer eyeshadow on my eyelids. I directly went in with my finger and I finished the eyes with some eyeliner. Moving on to lips, I'm using Nykaa's Top Thrill. It's a beautiful nude shade for everyday looks. Over it, I'm using the Rose Gold Retro Shimmer from Stila, just making it all sparkle.
De una vez decirte adiós.